Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss future episodes. Just coming into the evening of day 1. I'm about to go off shift. We've had a cracking sail this afternoon. We've got the Parasailor up, and yeah, we've been averaging about 6 knots, 6.5. So we've decided tonight that with the forecast and the way that the weather is looking, we are going to risk leaving it out. So we're going to see how that goes for our first parasail night sail.
It's an absolutely stunning evening. We don't have a lot of wind. We've still got the Parasailor up. We're probably averaging somewhere between 4.5 and 5 knots, which is pretty good. But the moon has just gone down, has just set. But the sky is full of stars. There are just, I can't show you on the camera because they won't come out. But it's absolutely stunning out here.
So it's the morning of day 2 and it is a stonker. It is an awesome day today. Overnight we had the Parasailor up, the wind dropped off, so we ended up pulling the sail down, and then on the shift change the wind has come back up again, so we decided to turn the engines off, and we're now doing a steady 5 knots towards Fiji. Nice and relaxed. Joe is having a bit of a kip, so it's nice and quiet. The side swell that we were getting has fallen off as the wind dropped, which is really, really pleasant. And it's just glorious.
It's 10 to 3. I'm just about to head down and have a little nana nap. Rob's on shift at 3 o'clock. And most importantly, he's doing a very, very, very important job off the back. He's shelling a coconut. It's our last one.
It's going to be some time, I think.
Yay!
Fresh coconut.
Ooh.
It's a really good one.
Oh, it looks nice.
Very nice.
Oh, I'll have a large piece, shall I? Okay. That's what I like to see, a man scrubbing.
That's right.
Are we a bit mouldy, darling?
Surprisingly dirty. Not anymore. Ha ha ha. Coming into our second evening. We've got the head sail out. Got 5 knots of wind, it's not doing much at all. But this is glorious out here. Super relaxed. Yeah, we've had good rest today. It's the second day into the trip. It's always a little bit strange having a short trip, because by the time you got into your shifts and everything, you've already arrived, but we both feel really rested.
It's so tranquil out here, it's absolutely beautiful. We've got no wind, so we've got an engine running, but the sea is flat calm. We're getting a bit of a push current, and the slight swell is behind us. Sail's flapping because it's out just in case, the head sail. But it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see. And the sun is setting up ahead. And it's just stunning on the water.
Strange phenomenon happening this evening. We think it is plankton in the water, but on the shift change, it was noted that our depth gauge started working. We have over 1,200 meters below us at the moment, and according to our depth gauge we have 7. So we think there is something in the water that is causing a false reading. We've stopped the boat and had a quick look, shone a torch down. We can't see anything except for what we think is plankton in the water, and we can only assume that the sensor for the depth gauge is bouncing off that and seeing us at a false reading.
It is about 3:20 on Wednesday morning. It is a beautiful early hours of the morning. The moon is up, we've got some stars out. There's a little bit of cloud, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. It's flat calm, unfortunately. We've got between 3 and 6 knots of wind, so we are motoring. As you can hear, the engine's on. But we've got some current with us. We're maintaining pretty good speed. We're maintaining about 6 knots, which is excellent for us with one engine. It's been a joy to be out on the water. And we had a bird join us just as the sun was setting. I don't know what kind of bird it is. She is absolutely beautiful. She landed on the sailbag, which was swinging about a little bit. So yeah, I've put a preventer on to stop the boom from swinging, so she wasn't wobbling about quite as much. And she's gone off to sleep, and I'm pleased to report that she's still up there, absolutely sound asleep. Camera's a bit far away, our visitor is still here. Morning, birdie. How are you going? Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. and it is, albeit a windless, but a stunning morning on the ocean. The sun is just about to appear on the horizon behind me, and the ocean is, well, that's what the ocean's like. You visit us to shit down the sailbag. Rob's not going to be happy when he gets up. Charming night, isn't it? Hitch a ride and then poo all over our sailbag. And they charge you a fare. I got up and Birdie has gone.
Yeah.
Now, did Birdie fly away of her own accord?
I didn't
or
see
did somebody wiggle?
No.
You didn't wiggle the boom?
Didn't do a thing.
You sure? Just because she pooped on your deck? Poop deck! Ha ha! See what I did then?
No, she didn't. She just, I think she was hungry and she doesn't like chickpeas.
As long as you're sure.
Yeah. Would I?
What can you see, Bobbity?
Land ho!
Yay! You can just, oh yes, there it is there. Just there. Gosh, it's hot out here. Oh, and over there. That'll be the loud group then. Too loud. They've shouted for everything.
Can't smell it yet.
I can. Oh, that might be you.
Yeah.
Oh, Wednesday morning. And it's virtually glass out, isn't it, darling?
Very much so. Stunning, eh?
Eh?
Stunning, eh?
You're being very industrious, husband.
Our router blew up the other day.
What have you got going on here?
Oh, making ice, making bread, roasting some pumpkin, doing a load of laundry, and trying to get the printer connected so I can print the Fiji documents.
I'm eating a piece of coconut. You're running around like a blue ass fly, mate. It's 32 degrees here up at the helm. We've got 3.5 knots of wind, and the sea is flat calm. Yep, it's another sunset, but it never gets old.
So
And we're in the land group of Fiji. We just haven't checked in yet because we can't until we get to Savusavu. We have land here and here. We just need a little bit more wind and all will be well. And the moon. How lovely.
Pretty good.
Wait. Choose that again.
Okay.
I think you're up for a green flash.
I think I might be actually. I can't actually see anything because I'm completely blinded.
You've got no sunnies on. I can't see anything. I didn't get a green flash, did you?
No.
It's a jolly nice sunset though.
Very nice. Best one of the day.
And this time tomorrow we'll be in port, having a cold one hopefully.
Last night at sea, just passing a light on a rock at a place called Rock Island, funnily enough, so we want to avoid that. Engines are still on. We got flaky winds. We thought that we had enough to put the Parasailor up, but the wind hasn't been consistent, so we ended up bringing it back in again. And the latest update that we got on Predict Wind is showing that it's actually just going to stay low, so motoring is in our future, I think.
So it's 3:10 in the morning. We've got about 48 nautical miles to go, which is good. We should be getting in around about midday hopefully, which is exciting. So yeah, that is the state of affairs as of 3:11 on Thursday the something of August 23rd. I think it might be the 23rd today. And there she goes, up again. Q flag is flying. Job's a good one.
Nice job.
Welcome to Fiji. And we're about an hour out? Half an hour out? Something like that? It's not far anyway. We've made water, we've done 3 loads of washing, we've run around like mad things and it's very warm.
It's good though. No chores when we get in.
That was a bit of a mission.
Nice parking, Joe.
Sorry darling, I didn't want to hit that. And I also...
There's stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Like there's people anchored in the channel. He was super patient. Do you want me to get off and do that? Oh, he's still there. Yeah. This is Kabaya and he helped us come onto the dock today. Thank you so very much indeed. So these are the lovely ladies from Biosecurity and from Customs. And this is Marie and this is Lorraine. And they've come to clear us into their wonderful country of Fiji. We're very glad to be back. We're in Savusavu. There you go.
Okay, your passports have been stamped 4 months each, and this is your immigration clearance, your authority to disembark. You are now officially cleared into Fiji.
Yay!
Welcome home.
Thank you very much indeed, and a pleasure to meet you ladies. Thank you for a lovely introduction to Savusavu.
Nice to meet you.
meeting you,
So lovely to meet you too.
and I hope you'll enjoy your stay.
I'm sure we will. Ooh. Well, the jolly nice man from Health has just been and cleared us in, so we are free to take down our quarantine flag. And put our Fijian flag up. Hurrah for the Fiji flag.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice work, Captain. So, we're here. And cheers. Thank you for an awesome trip. We got here in one piece. Ran the engines a lot. But yeah, another successful crossing.
Cheers.
We're having
We hope you enjoyed that episode. Please join us next week as we start exploring the beautiful Fiji Islands.
If you haven't done so already, then please hit the subscribe button, and would really love to hear what you think of the videos. Please leave any comments below. See you next week.